Good day, folks. Sooke here. Just trying to dig my way out of my house. I was sweeping all last night. You can barely see where I swept my lawn, where my brick walkway is. Snow came right into our front door. This is Sooke, BC. December, just before Christmas. On the Tuesday, what, the 20th, something like that? 19th, 20th. Sooke here, yeah, overlooking Sooke. Even Whiff and Spit's got snow on it. So we're gonna walk our way up. This is the stairs. Doesn't even look like stairs no more. Now that is at least, there's my glove for perspective, a foot and a bit. And then my feet, my boots. Holy. We don't see plows yet for a while. Oh, we got a major snowdrift here. Somebody came up with an ATV onto the driveway. Plowed a bit of her driveway with an ATV, whoever that was, thanks. Crazy. Alright, let's start shoveling. Then it's mini bike time.